Okay. This is, right here, a hack job. Set my scooter down. Now this is a hack job. See this York air conditioner right here? Well, look at this. How in the heck are the air conditioner people supposed to get in here? To it. Don't ask me. Ask the people who installed this thing. Let's see, it's a model E1R CO36S06D. So that is a, let's see, 3-ton. It's a serial SEKHM768872, and I believe this is from 2000. It's a heat pump. It says listed section of heat pump. There's more in there. Yeah, that is a dang hack job. You can't even get in here. York. None of them are running, but yeah, if the person is supposed to work on the dang thing, how are they supposed to get in there? Any of these, how are they supposed to get in there? You know what, I don't know, I just kind of makes me mad because I don't see. I mean, why would they have done that? That's a hack job. Seriously, that is a hack job. Real hack job. Let's see if any of these other ones are hacked. That Grand Air, I don't know if you consider this a hack job. I mean, it's a nice unit, but it's really close up to the fence. So, I don't think I consider it a hack job, but I think they should have put it a little farther from the fence. See, the Guardian was, it had plenty of space from the fence in the building, so. But yeah, here's the Guardian sitting here, waiting to either be hauled away or waiting for a new part. I think it's waiting for a new part, and they're going to replace one of these Yorks with it. Alright, let's see if any of these ones are hacked here. These, let's see. No? These aren't hacked. I guess that's the only one that's hacked really badly, because I don't know. I don't see how anyone could even get into the fence. Why in the heck are the lights on? This place is closed today. I thought Sunday, so yeah, this place is closed. Look at that. The energy guide on the Grand Air is like falling up. This is getting really annoying hauling my scooter around all of this. One of those is running. So yeah, hacked. 2000 or 2001, I don't know. York central air conditioner, not running. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. I can see the tag. Crap. And we're gonna have to walk through mud here. Oh, what the heck? This isn't muddy right here. One of these is running there. That York is running, and there's a Duquesne, which is not running. Okay, and one of the rooms just had the lights on, and I saw, so yeah. I guess this place is not closed today. It's Sunday. You'd think that an an elementary school would be closed. There's my school over there. Middle school. You know what? Let's go see if any of these other units are running on the property, or if any of them are hacked. I just figured I'd show you how hacked that one was. I mean, the trash compactor's running over at the middle school. Alright. See, the back parking lot's completely empty. Oh, I hear one of these things running down here. I'm gonna park this. It sounds like it's that York Latitude. Thing's always running. Yeah, it's that York Latitude. I can tell by how quiet it is. Well, maybe it isn't that York Latitude. I don't know. We shall find out. Nope. It's that one. There's the York Latitude. There's a York gas pack over there. I'm not gonna walk over to it. So we probably better get out of here. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So, most of the video was on a hacked York central air conditioner. Out.